Small snow chances as we move forward, but we're still not really looking at any major system. If we did have one to look forward to, it would potentially be next week around Tuesday. But even then, things can really change, and it does look to be mainly in southeastern Wisconsin. And generally, weekend temperatures will be around 32 degrees, which is about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal for this time of year. Let's take a look at the numbers out there today. 33 degrees for a daytime high is pretty mild. In fact, almost 10 degrees warmer than the average of 24 degrees. Record this time of year all the way up at 46. Likely not going to see anything like that anytime soon. We got a lot of our warm weather out of the way in December. No precipitation other than just a trace of flakes and flurries, but we didn't have anything stick around or no measurable amounts outside today. Our high temperature tracker moving forward shows tomorrow being the coolest of our upcoming temperatures. As you can see, 27 on Thursday, then into the low 30s all weekend long and into next week. We do briefly drop down to the mid-20s again by Wednesday, but overall we should be warmer than normal for quite some time. In terms of colder than normal temperatures, you can see here with our extended temperature outlook, this is from January 10th through the 16th. We are looking at some cooler air starting to shape up off to the west, which will eventually potentially move into Wisconsin. So we're looking at maybe a little bit of a colder end to the month this month. Hopefully we do get some snowfall to go along with those cooler temperatures. Satellite radar picture here is showing cloud cover across the state of Wisconsin. We had a few flurries now moving their way over towards Lake Michigan and further east. You can see that activity now impacting the Michigan area with some light snow. As we take a look at the future track forecast for the rest of tonight, we're really not looking at too much. They should remain mainly dry. In fact, our cloud cover should dissipate heading into Thursday. Now, we're not expecting clear blue skies, but you can see a decent amount of sunshine with a few scattered clouds out here for Thursday, and that should continue for a decent day if you don't mind temperatures being just a little bit cooler. Another thing to mention is that with clear skies overnight, temperatures will drop quite a bit faster, so we are looking at overnight lows for tonight and tomorrow night in the teens. A bit chillier waking up. You want your hats and gloves if you're going to be out there early. Now let's track into Friday and you'll see what's going on here. We see some cloud cover move in for Friday, and it is going to have much more cloud cover than sunshine. Towards the overnight hours, could potentially develop some snowfall. Right now looking mainly for the northern half of the state very late after 10 o'clock. But still, that's going to be some much needed snow as we really haven't got a great start to the winter sports season. Our extended future track also shows some small chances of snow throughout the weekend, still widely unsettled. You can see here our next potential larger snow making system, which would really only be a few inches, could potentially be coming in on Tuesday or maybe arriving for Monday night. Our overnight forecast tonight, 14 degrees, decreasing clouds and a bit chilly. Northwest winds of 5 miles per hour. Forecast tomorrow, 27, hazy sunshine and cool. Winds becoming southwest of 5 to 10. Otherwise, let's take a look here at our 7-day forecast. As we move forward, we are looking at temperatures, as you mentioned, a few degrees warmer than normal. Small snow chances throughout the weekend, about a 20 or 30% chance. Our highest being on Tuesday, with a high of 32.